Hello, friends, it's Keroy here reading from Dancing with Words, and this poem is called Affirm. Power of believing, the power of trusting, strengthening your inner man, belief at the core that all will be well, that you are understood, that you have a place here on earth. Affirm to yourself all the goodness of life will come your way. You are on the receiving end of all your desires. You are in the right place at the right time, in a willing state of mind, open to receive what life has prepared for you, willing to accept the overflowing goodness of life. Affirm you are well equipped to live and experience an abundant life. The Spirit in you is directing you on the correct path to take. Affirm to yourself you are a co creator of your reality, well backed by the universe, protected and guided all the days of your life. I want you to affirm your days will be filled and fruitful. The generations after you will be productive, exploring multiplication in all its goodness will be your daily bread. Above all, affirm to yourself you are clothed in supernatural wisdom. Affirm, affirm and believe that all the goodness is yours for the taking, for the having. Talk to you soon. Keroy here.